Morning, guys. Literally just woke up, fixing to head out to take the dog to the park. I will show you a couple of clips because he loves playing. He's a silly boy. He's 3 years old. No, he's 4 years old, and he acts like a puppy still. He loves to play. He loves to steal things and have you chase after him. Yeah, he's a mess. He's my little boy, but he's crazy boy.
Good boy. What?
Starbucks got me 2 pumps of sugar-free hazelnut. Waiting for it to cool down so I can drink it. But we're fixing to go home. We're talking to our friend here. But after that, we're gonna go home and make some. Fried rice using cauliflower. Let me get everything put out, and I'll show you guys how to make it. Just have a food processor. You can use that instead of a blender. But if you don't have a food processor like me, you can use a blender, and it still works just as well. First batch, put about this much in, and let's blend away. Flour is now all blended up. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a full medium head of cauliflower. Now since this is done, let's start making the recipe. Now it's on to making the recipe. Just got done blending up the cauliflower. So time to cook the 3/4 cups of egg whites. So let's get that going. Just put a tablespoon of Can't Believe It Was Not butter. I'm gonna add my 3/4 cup of egg whites right there. Let's do it. And once that's cooked, you put it aside for it to stay warm. And once it's cooked, that's when you do the veggies and you put the cauliflower in. And I'll show you that when this is all cooked up. Now since the eggs whites are now cooked, you add a cup of peas and a cup of carrots and 1/4 cup of water. Let me transfer this into a bowl because it's cooked, and I will show you the next step. Make sure that you chop up the egg whites to make them more smaller pieces, not chunks, because it makes it tastier and look a lot nicer in the fried rice, like you would get it at restaurants. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of my Can't Believe It's Not butter to make sure it doesn't stick while it's cooking. But I put I told you in the clip before that you put a cup of peas and a cup of carrots with 1/4 cup of water. Cover it for 3 minutes until it's thawed. So here's my cup of peas, cup of carrots, and then my 3/4 cups of water. Put that in. Cover it. You stir it up a little bit. For 3 minutes. The peas have thawed out. Gotta put a cup of onions, a teaspoon of garlic, and then put the cauliflower in the pan for about 6 to 8 minutes, and then that's when you put the other ingredients in. So see you in the next clip. Turn the heat back on. Everything mixed in. And then after this is done in 7 minutes, that's when you put the egg whites in it. And then it is all done. Oh, and you gotta put the soy sauce in it too. So I'll show you guys the finished product. 5 more seconds until we put the egg whites in and the soy sauce in. So I'll show you that process, and it is done. Gotta cook it for another 2 minutes. I'm excited. Soy sauce in and got the egg whites in. Stir it up till everything is well distributed. That looks so good. Guys, still got a little piece of broccoli still in there. Alright. Cook for 2 minutes. Show you guys the finished officially done, and it smells delicious. Going to see how much servings it makes, but since this is my refeed day, I'm not going to count the calories, but for you guys, I will show you guys in the description box and after this video on how much calories it is, macros, and how much servings it makes. So in case you guys want to make it, you can, but let me show you the finished product. Hey, no, no, no. Hey. Do a taste test of this. Here it is. It's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce in it because it tastes like fried rice, but it needs a little bit more soy sauce. But other than that, it is good. So make sure you guys make the recipe and let me know how you guys like it. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. The process of taking the skin off the avocados to make guacamole for tonight for the dip. Excited about that. In a little bit, gonna be doing some wings. So I will show you what I do when I make mine. My dad's in there doing the celery and the carrots. So excited about this. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Way too much today, to the point where I'm probably gonna be full for a couple of days. At least it feels that way, but knowing how I feel and how my metabolism is, I'm gonna be hungry first thing in the morning. But I am done eating right now. I had about 8 wings. Just crap today. Not really crap, but just a lot of junk that I gotta do extra cardio tomorrow, but that's okay. I enjoyed it. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. It's gonna take, it is how it is. I'm a human. I need food. I want food. So today's my refeed day, so I enjoyed it. So tomorrow is when I need to get back on the grind of things and be serious and get some low carb, some low fat stuff items tomorrow from Walmart and Publix so I can get on this grind of healthier lifestyle and get to my goal faster, because bikini season is right down the corner, so got to get serious. So on that note, I'm going to bed a happy camper. Broncos won. I'm excited. Peyton did amazing. So did Carolina, but you know, the older player did better than a newbie. So happy about that. So gonna go get this vlog fixed and edited so I can post it tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning's legs and butt day. So maybe be eating all this carbs and all calories today might help me for tomorrow morning. So we will see how that is. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And also make sure you guys let me know if you make that cauliflower recipe, because it's good. Oh crap, I forgot to show you guys my wings that I made, like how I made them and everything. Just easy, just do 15 minutes one side in the oven and then turn it over another 15 minutes, and I did it for next extra 3 minutes. That's all I did. Put some olive oil on it, salt and pepper, and then after it was cooked, just put some hot sauce on it. That's all I really did. But subscribe, guys. See you guys in the morning. Of course, the Broncos won, as you can see, and Peyton Manning did an amazing job, like he always does. Cam Newton did good as well, but Peyton Manning just had a stronger team and just had stronger passes and just knew what to do better, because of course he's older and he's been around longer, so he's able to do better passes and just win, overall win. Even though Cam Newton did good passes, but he just didn't have what Peyton Manning had. So very happy he won, but at the same time sad that Cam Newton didn't win because it's the same division as the Falcons are in. But I like Peyton Manning, so of course I went for the Broncos. So I'm excited. So now I can get to bed. And since this vlog is all done, I can go to bed because I am tired. So I will see you guys in the morning.